Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record a vendor refund in QuickBooks. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic, so let's get straight into it. Now, the first step is going to be to open the plus new menu. From your QuickBooks dashboard, you're going to click plus new and then select bank deposits. Step 2 is going to be to enter vendor details. Now, in the received from field, you're going to choose the vendor who issued the refund, and then set payment method to match how you received it. Could be check, bank transfers, whatever it is. And step 3 is to select the account. Now, under deposit to, you're going to choose the bank account where the refund was deposited. Next step is to link the refund to an expense account. In the account column, select the expense account originally used for the purchase so it offsets the original expense. Step 5 is to save and close. Click save and close, or you can click save and new to record the refund. A pro tip is to always keep the refund receipts or credit notes for your records in case of audits. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.